Today is Saturday. This is our sometimes nutty life. Today on Nutty Life we are
having a garage sale.
Garage sailing. Woo!
What we have left.
This is all we have left in this big old wad of cash. Big old purse full of money.
We're gonna make it rain.
I'll make it rain later when I count it. So it is garage sale day in our neighborhood, and we are selling not much, but whatever's left. Maybe Jenna will put on Poshmark. We have a ton of baby clothes. We had a ton of baby clothes. We are about a third of what we had. We have a train table.
$20.
We have a bookshelf. Some shoes, some more clothes. Bottles, baby bottles. We have this lovely 5-year-old child, not much use on him yet. We'll get rid of him too. And I need to go check on Aiden, so let me go grab Aiden right now too. Yeah, I will.
I'm coming too.
Let's go get Aiden. I hear a crying baby.
I hear a crying baby.
Walker likes to...
Sometimes nutty laugh.
Oh, I gotta put you guys down for a second. I gotta hook my phone back on my belt. Is that a Aiden? Aiden! Say, let's go! Let's go!
There's a bug on Aiden's floor!
Lovely. We need to have the house sprayed again. Anyways. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you have a good nap? Aiden? Walker, stop. You're hitting my wall. Let's go? Say, let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, come on.
Oh, he doesn't want.
Come here. Up. Up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Daddy, let's race.
Hey, we gotta go get some clothes for you and change your diaper. Get you a bottle.
Daddy,
All right. Mommy outside?
Change that 5-year-old.
You're the 5-year-old.
No, you're.
You're the 5-year-old.
Yeah.
I can't change. Oh, you almost slid off the bed. All right, Aiden is dressed. You want some chapstick? Here. Look. Close your mouth. Close your lips. Back up. Come on, let's go. Go get a bottle. That's it. Put mommy's pen back. All right, come on. Aiden, let's go outside.
Yay! Aiden can.
Outside, come on. Let's go. No, leave that inside.
Man.
No.
I'm gonna fuss.
Why do you have your flip-flops on in my house?
Oh, no.
Well, you shouldn't. Come on, Aiden. Here. Yeah, I'm trying to get him outside. Come on, up. Stand up. Aiden just finished his peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And as you can see, he decided to play with it. Let's see your hands. Can I see your hands? Hands all peanut butter. Goofy, but it's his favorite, so whatever.
So we are done with our garage sale, and Bill is counting how much we got minus the change that he had to pull out this morning. So
Don't count your money till the dealing's done. Ready for the total? $220.50.
So now we get to go buy lunch. And what are we planning on doing with the rest of that?
I don't know. Probably buy groceries for this house that's empty of food.
If you saw my pantry, you probably wouldn't say it was empty.
It's not empty, the fridge is empty. There's no drinks, there's no...
But there's no like ways to make any meals in our house. But the kids, whoops, are tired. And Mommy and Daddy have not eaten lunch yet.
Daddy has to, oh, I can't even go pick up your car seat. You have to go get it.
Do I have to go get lunch? You telling me I have to go get lunch? Daddy.
You don't have to. If you can call up there, or I can call them. Call them and give them the order number and tell them that you need to add me to the order.
All right.
We'll get it.
So we got Aiden a new car seat. Is it heavy?
Convertible.
It's a convertible car seat, so it's a grow with me style. That's why Bill had. Shh. That's why Bill had to run to the store without me, because we ended up selling his car seat and had no way of putting him in the car. So, awkwardly, get off the box right now. So, we're gonna open this after we eat, because I'm starving. What sandwich did you get?
Spicy Italian.
And I just got the cold cut trio. It's veggies, basically. Oh shoot, I should have asked for mushrooms. I didn't even remember that they have mushrooms. But there is mine, and we, what time is it? Like after 2, and we are finally eating lunch.
Ridiculous. Busy day.
Busy day with the
Tonight we have friends coming over to watch the fight.
Wait, what fight is it? Like who's play? Like who's?
Conor McGregor and I don't know, the guy he threatened in a parking lot somewhere. Drama. There's a drama for your mama.
But I am gonna eat this loveliness and then probably go take a shower. Cause we both, like, it was like a super hot day and we both sweated so much outside. We were both dripping sweat because it was just unbelievably hot. And it's almost, I don't want to say it's almost the end of October, but it's, I want to say it's close now that it's the beginning of October, because it'll be the end before we know it.
Feels like it.
And yeah, so that's why I can't wait to move to a cooler climate. But that'll be fun to show you guys all that mess too, because I can't wait. But anyway, we're gonna eat and we'll check you later. So I am going to go take a shower because I feel disgusting. And Bill is going to go mow the lawn before our friends come over. because he's such the OCD type that he has to have everything perfect in order to have anybody over or anything done, which kind of drives me insane. But what? Don't see. This is what I'm talking about. That right
What is
there. I will take care of that later.
Mm-hmm.
I have to go take my shower.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become.
I cannot wait to open this thing because look at how fancy-ish, I guess you would say.
Look at how happy that baby is right there. He's so happy.
He's so. I kind of wish Aiden's face was kind of that chubby though, honestly. But that would not look anything like Bill. And Aiden looks like a twin of Bill, honestly. Wonder if we should bathe him before everybody comes over. Do we have to go get the food, or are they bringing stuff?
We need to go to the store to get stuff.
Well,
I don't know what we're getting. I need to find out. We gotta go to the store to see what is on sale. And if we're buying it.
well, you need to ask Alex. Oh, look, it comes already assembled.
My work here is complete.
He doesn't have to do anything. Look. Well, except for tightening the straps and stuff. You probably need to wake him up.
Front facing.
It's rear facing and front facing. It says Carly Fashion, whatever that means.
Rear facing.
And it's got the cup holder.
Position adjust.
Can you
Sweet.
take this off, babe, so I can see the rest of it?
What?
Take the other stuff off so I can see it. Look at this. I just love this pattern.
Purple.
No, not the purple. I like the plaid and
I
stuff.
like this is like so side impact for his head. It's not gonna be all bobbling all over the place anymore.
Well, he bobbles all over the place right now, huh? That's a grow with me. So once then you can adjust it to where his. That is so cool. I cannot wait to get it in the car.
Does it not have clips?
It has this.
Oh, there is hooks. Okay.
I don't know how to get them out. Okay. So this is the adjustable. This one's is rear facing, and then you can turn it around, and that is forward facing. Rear facing, rear facing would be this
How does that
way.
go? Okay, so front
Yeah.
facing, you have to actually use the belt.
Wait, no, you can use this on rear facing because you just turn it around like this.
The forward facing latch strap here. Oh, there must be a way to pull these through.
So now the trick is to get this wonderful looking car seat in the car. And it really, honestly, I think this purple-ish color doesn't even look like a girly color to me. Kind of looks like a neutral. What do you think?
Yeah, is there a middle? I didn't know there was a middle.
A middle?
Yeah, this thing has a middle. It's got the two side ones, but then it has the ground one. I didn't know there was one on the floor.
It goes around like underneath the back. That's how.
Oh, on the forward facing.
Yeah.
So this is the wrong strap.
Yeah. That goes like back behind underneath the headrest thing that adjusts. If you make.
Yeah, when you put them forward facing.
Yeah.
And then you put your belt through here.
Yes. But that is rear facing right here. So stinking cute. I don't know why I love car seats so much, but I do. Okay, everybody, we are actually in our garage.
We're saying goodnight.
Because Bill had
Friends over?
No, I don't know if it was you that invited him or he invited himself.
No, I invited them over.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, somebody invited who, and now they're watching the USC fight.
So.
And the kids are already in bed. And let's see what else. We had hot dogs. We had gone to the store. We had come home and had hot dogs with them, and they're still over, which is fun.
We still got more stuff to do tomorrow. Busy day tomorrow too.
Lots of errands.
Super speed lawn mowing. And anyways, if you like our video, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Click the bell down below to be notified each time we put out a new video, and also click subscribe. Go ahead and leave any comments you'd like and share this video. Sharing is caring.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind.